Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Envato WordPress templates. First, you'll need to download your desired template from Envato Elements or Theme Forest. Make sure you have a clean WordPress installation prepared. Then, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then Themes, and upload the template file. Once uploaded, activate it to begin the installation process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. After activating your template, you'll typically see prompts to install necessary plugins. These are essential for the template's full functionality. Once plugins are installed, the next vital step is importing the demo content. This usually takes just a few minutes and provides a pre-designed layout, complete with pages, posts, and images, giving you a fantastic starting point for customization. It saves you dozens of hours of work. Now that your demo content is in place, it's time to make the template truly yours. Most Envato templates come with a powerful theme options panel where you can easily change global styles, like your brand colors and typography. For page-specific edits, you'll use the integrated page builder. This allows you to drag and drop elements, modify layouts, and replace all the placeholder content with your own compelling text and high-quality images. This is where your creativity shines. Finally, dive into the more advanced features your template offers, such as custom post types for portfolios or testimonials, and integrated slider plugins. To ensure your site runs smoothly, remember to optimize images and implement caching. Regularly updating your theme and all its associated plugins is also paramount for security and to access the latest features. Following these best practices will keep your WordPress site robust and performing at its best for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.